Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General Information. Philippine Constitution.
What act implements the mandate for the state to make essential goods, health, and other social services available to all the people at affordable cost? A. Land Reform Program. B. Generics Act. C. Resettlement Act. D. Freedom Act. The correct answer is letter B, Generics Act. Which of the following is true about elective local officials? A. The term of office is 3 years. B. Barangay officials' term of office is indefinite. C. An official may be re-elected indefinitely. D. An official may not serve for less than 3 terms. The correct answer is letter A. The term of office is 3 years. What may be classified as alienable lands of the public domain? A. Forest. B. Mineral lands. C. National park. D. Agricultural lands. The correct answer is letter D. Agricultural lands. What is the maximum equity for aliens in a corporation or association in the exploration, development, and utilization of natural resources? A. 60%. B. 40%. C. 50%. D. 30%. The correct answer is letter B, 40%. What is recognized by the state as the foundation of the nation? A. Barangay. B. Community. C. Family. D. Municipality. The correct answer is letter C, family.
Did you get them all right?